Tell me something. If you have your last $50 and your spouse needs it for something really, really important, and your child also needs it for something equally as important, who do you give the money to?
Well, it depends. That is a tough question because everybody think their problem is the most important problem or most important issue. You as the person who is giving is going to have to make an executive decision. And when you do, you're going to have to translate that decision to both parties because both parties somebody's going to feel cheated. I wouldn't want to be in that position, but with that being said, you want to give the edge to the most responsible party. Whether it is you being your child to be responsible or you're supposed to be most responsible. Again, the problem gonna dictate who gets the money first. Boy, that's a tough one, man. Tell you the truth. Me don't want to answer that one. That one is tough.
Oh.